This is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable and configure the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then find and enter the Sound category. Next here, enter the Do Not Disturb, and here are the D&D settings and preferences. So here, what else? You can enable or disable this option. You can select what people you would like to let through the Do Not Disturb mode, what apps you can interrupt your D&D mode, what alarms and other interruptions you can enable or disable respectively. What else? You can set up some schedules, automate the Do Not Disturb mode both on the starting and ending end, so you can make it so that it will automatically switch itself on and switch itself off. You can also enable it, change its duration for the quick settings, and also configure the display options. So that will be it for. I forgot to let you know how you can manually enable it. Just open the control panel. Here, find the Do Not Disturb mode icon and switch it on. And in order to switch it off, just tap at the same icon here. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.